Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cute Little Voice. Today I'm coming in with a new wig analysis on this unit right here. This is a color unit. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's out of my element, but I wanted to try it. I normally wouldn't wear a color like this, but I think I'm gonna actually wear this out because it's kind of calmed down, tamed. It's not too out there where it's not everyday wear. I feel like you can wear this during the day, maybe not so much to work. But let me just say happy Saturday to everyone out there. I hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day, and make sure you subscribe down below. Subscribe please, I would really love that. So yes, this is from Red Carpet Premiere. This is a lace front wig. This style is called RCP7056 Picasso, and I have it in a color SR1B Festive. This is the wig on the model, and this is what I have, SR1B Festive. So the cap size on this one is a very big head friendly cap size. So if you have a bigger head, don't worry, you can fit into this unit. It did come with baby hairs that were very silky. It did not match the texture of the unit. So that was one con for me, and they were extremely long. Another con for me is that it sheds a lot, like a whole lot with these colors into the wig. Those colors do shed quite a bit. So you might want to be mindful when purchasing. But if you was to go in and kind of like brush all of those hairs out, I think it would be fine, and just kind of get all of that hair out and all of those strands. See how much hair I'm getting here. So once you go in and do that, you should be good to go. As far as the texture, it is a medium, a coarse texture. It is a yaki texture, so it is giving you a bit of coarseness to it. As far as tangling, it does have a snag here or two, but for the most part you can run your fingers through. Now what I can say is that it is tangling more towards the nape area, so that is going to be expected. So you will have to give this one a good brush through. As far as the parting starting here and ending way back there, that is the parting. So it is pretty slim, so you will have to kind of pluck and tweeze that one to make it look as natural as possible. So I'm going to give you a 360 of this unit. All the hair pushed to the front. The density is very full. It is very lightweight, but it is kind of hot because today is pretty much like 90 degrees, and it's very hot because of the texture. So this will probably be good for the fall and spring and winter. So this one is about 16 inches long. So yeah, it's not too long, but it's giving you some length, and it's continuing to shed here. So yeah, I'm just gonna say just give it a good brush through, and if that doesn't work, then maybe wash the unit and see what happens. But if you don't want to do all that with this unit, I would say steer away from this unit. But it's still so very pretty. You do get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with the adjustable straps. And it does not have a shiny luster. As you can see, I'm very up close to the camera, and it's not having a luster. The waves are absolutely gorgeous. They look very natural. The color is like you're getting reds in here, blues, yellows, and greens. So if you like those colors, make sure you do check out this unit. And here's some colors on the back. This is SR1B Festive. This is lemon yogurt right here, and this one is squash. So if you want to try those colors out, you can do so. It did come with some tape on the back so that you can tape down your wig. I wouldn't advise that unless you absolutely know what you're doing, because it can tear out your edges. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I would recommend this unit if you are, going on a special occasion trip, or maybe an event for a couple days or something like that. I feel like this one won't last too long because it does tangle quite a lot. And as you can see here, it is continuing to tangle. So yes, that's pretty much it. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up for this video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.